So our neighbors have chickens. Let's go check them out. We can go see these chickens. Gotta look out for the landmines, you know, though. Oh! Ooh, there was a nasty one. Alright, let's see these chickens. Do you see them? Where are they at? Oh, I see them. They're walking. Do we see the chickens? Did you see them? One more time. Oh, I see them. It's running. Chick, 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 chick. Oh, look, and there's roofers. You see them? Oh. All right, look out for the landmines.